Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Chipotle Turkey Gyro. Some people call them gyros, but it's pronounced gyro. Also, I'm hoping everyone is enjoying the new time slot of 4 p.m. Alright, first thing we gotta do is make our spicy tzatziki sauce. So in this food processor, I am adding a half of a seedless cucumber that I peeled and diced up. And then we're going to add a half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. You should be able to find this in any decently sized grocery store. If for some reason you can't, I assume plain yogurt would work. But again, I really recommend going for the Greek stuff. And then we want to add a quarter cup of mayonnaise. And then a quarter cup of hot sauce. Any hot sauce will do. And then you want to add about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of chipotle powder, depending on how spicy you want this. If you can't find chipotle powder for whatever reason, cayenne pepper is a perfect substitute. But if you can get your hands on chipotle powder, I recommend using that. It's got a nice kind of smokier flavor. And then you want to add about a tablespoon of dried dill. If you want to use the fresh stuff, then kick it up to a quarter of a cup of chopped fresh dill. But I just went with dry. Then you want to do a tablespoon of lemon juice. And, of course, salt and pepper to taste. Lock the lid on, and then just let the processor do its thing. You might need to scrape down the sides a few times, but, yeah, one or two scrape downs, and then just let the processor do its thing. And place this in those disposable condiment bottles. You can pick them up at any Walmart for about $1 a piece, really inexpensive. Or put it in a deli container. I forget what I did here. Alright, let's move on to assembly. Okay, we've got our warmed pita, and the first thing we're going to add to it is a good healthy amount of shreddus. I'm sorry, but for things like this, iceberg lettuce is the best. There is no debate. And then you want to add some smoked turkey that I kind of just chopped up into pieces. And then some thinly sliced red onions. And then we want to add our tzatziki sauce. And that's pretty much it. So a Chipotle Turkey Gyro. Done.